In order to reset your home or browse feed on YouTube, you want to go ahead and open up the YouTube app as you see I've done here and tap on the U button there. It's your profile in the bottom right-hand corner. Once under you then want to go up to the settings or gear icon in the upper right-hand corner, tap into settings, and then go to manage all history. Tap into manage all history. Once you're here, you want to tap on the controls tab there, which is the middle option there. And then once you're here, you want to tap into manage history. Once under Manage History, you'll see an option that says Delete. Go ahead and tap the Delete drop-down menu and make sure you go to Delete All Time. Once you've selected Delete All Time, it says Confirm you would like to delete the following activity, and then go ahead and scroll down and tap the Delete button once more. That's going to delete everything from the beginning of time and allow you to reset your YouTube browse and home feed. Now, if we go back, swipe down on our home feed, as you can see, you have to search to get started and to reset your YouTube feed. If you have any questions, put those down below. See you guys in the next video.